Brothers, sisters, today is Lhabab Duchen, which is to celebrate the Buddhas back from the Tushita to benefit the God and especially for his own mother. So today is the special day for remember your ancestors, remember the kindness of Lord Buddha's wisdom. We are doing in this pandemic and we all locked down, we're all depressed, but always remember with the Dharma, with the teaching of these great beings left for us. Those teachings will become valuable during this pandemic time. Always keep your faith, shraddha, and patient saburi, and become brave warrior to overcome this darkness. And we will always be happy. Happy Lhabab Duchen.